Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun video with the piece that I found at the Goodwill. So a couple weeks ago I was at the Goodwill and I found this adorable wooden bird for only $3 and I knew I just had to get them. So this piece was in really good shape when I bought it, so I'm just going straight in with paint. I'm not using any primer, I'm not sanding, I'm just going straight in with the paint. I would recommend if you do find a craft that you're going to do from the Goodwill and it is a darker piece of wood, I would recommend going in with the color white beforehand and then painting your colors on top, just so the colors pop. My bird's a light enough color that the grain only shows in a couple pieces, which isn't really that big of a deal. So for my piece, I am going to go in with 3 different yellows. I really wanted this to be a pop art type of looking bird, so I am going in with 3 different yellows, one light, one in the middle, and one darker yellow. When doing a project like this, I would also recommend test swatching a piece. You could just test swatch the bottom of it just to make sure that the colors dry the color that you want them to look. And for this, I am just going to continue painting them the different yellow colors, and I'm going to coordinate them so it's lighter, darker, lighter, darker, lightest. Alright, and for this craft, I did give it a second coat, but I am going to do that off camera. Alright, so this is how my wooden block bird is coming out, and I just think they are looking adorable. Now just to add a couple finishing touches, I am painting the feet a lighter brown, and then I'm going in with an orange just to make the bird's nose pop. Alright, now here is the finished painted product. I just absolutely love these colors together, and I am going to decorate them for every single holiday. I hope you enjoyed this quick makeover. Don't forget to sprinkle this video and keep watching for more fun crafts. Happy crafting!